In this video, we're going to talk about how you can be single again in 10 easy steps. Let's get started. Step number 1. Accept that you are single. A lot of times we try to convince ourselves that we are not single, that we are in a relationship, and we hold on to that so tightly because we do not want to accept the fact that we are single. We feel like there is something wrong with us. There is something inherently flawed with us that we need to fix. Otherwise, why would we be single? So first step is to accept that you are single. Step number 2, allow yourself to feel your feelings. Whatever it is that you're feeling right now, allow yourself to feel those feelings. If you're angry, if you're sad, if you're bitter, allow yourself to feel those feelings. Don't try to run from them. Don't try to hide from them. Feel them, acknowledge them, and then let them go. Step number 3, forgive your ex. This is a very important step because a lot of times we hold on to all this anger and resentment towards our exes. We're angry at them for what they did, for how they made us feel. But guess what? That anger and resentment is eating away at you, not them. So forgive your ex. Forgive them for whatever it is that they did, whatever it is that they didn't do. Forgive them and let it go. Step number 4. Remove all the reminders. Remove anything that is a reminder of your ex, of your past relationship. And this might be hard. It might be really, really hard, but you have to do it. You have to remove those reminders. You have to get rid of them. Step number 5. Take care of yourself. You need to start taking care of yourself, body and soul. Eat healthy, work out, get that glow up that you've been needing to do for a while now. Step number 6, rediscover old hobbies or discover new ones. What did you enjoy doing before your relationship? Did you enjoy painting? Did you enjoy writing? Maybe you enjoyed playing the piano. Maybe you were a bookworm. Maybe you loved reading. What was it that you enjoyed doing? And if you can't think of anything, discover new hobbies. Discover new things that you enjoy doing, that you love doing. Step number 7, spend quality time with your family and friends. Go out with them. Do things that you've always wanted to do with them. Step number 8, start saying yes to new experiences, yes to new opportunities, yes to new adventures. Stop living in your comfort zone. Step number 9, focus on your goals. What are your goals? What do you want to accomplish? Maybe you want to get that promotion. Maybe you want to travel the world. Maybe you want to start your own business. Whatever it is that you want to accomplish, focus on your goals. And step number 10 is to love yourself, because at the end of the day, you are all that matters. You have to love yourself. You have to accept yourself for who you are, flaws and all. And guess what? You are beautiful inside and out. So that's it, guys. That's how you become single again in 10 easy steps. I hope this video has helped you. If it did, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content.